The woman closed the microwave oven door. The woman shut the microwave oven door. The dad closed his eyes and tried to guess who was behind him. The girl closed the window. The girl shut the window. The lift doors closed. The young woman closed the window blinds. The woman closed the curtains. The man closed his laptop. The man closed the shop door behind him when he walked into the shop. The man closed the door. The shop closed down because it didn't make enough money. The woman closed the washing machine door. The young man closed and sealed the box with scotch tape or sellotape. The woman closed her eyes. The woman closed her right eye and looked at the letters with her left eye. She was at the optician's. The woman closed her eyes in front of the reporters. The girl closed the boot of her car. The boy closed his ears when his father was shouting at him. The man closed the dishwasher with his foot. The woman closed her mouth when the dentist wanted to look at her teeth. The couple closed the suitcase. The woman closed her shop every day at 6 o'clock apart from Saturday and Sunday. The man closed his right eye. The woman closed the car door. The woman closed the jar lid. The woman closed her ears. The music was too loud. The woman closed her eyes and went to sleep. The workers closed off the road. The woman closed her eyes while she was meditating.